Hello everyone, Samir here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this small video about Nasdaq and S&P 500. So let's get started. This is the chart I made 29 July. This is Nasdaq weekly chart, right? And according to this chart, I have a fib pull from here to here, and then extension level 127 is a little bit up there. And I said that we're probably going to go up there, hit that level, and then drop. So what happened to this chart so far is this. Right? So we went up, we hit that, right? And then for last couple of weeks, we are staying below this level and trying to drop. So when it was dropping and then retracing a little bit, then I made a chart like this, right? On the 24th August, saying that this is the drop and this is around 61% retracement. So maybe we're going to drop from there. But what happened is that it went up a little bit more to the upside for next level, 78%. So I made another chart saying that, okay, now since we are close to this 78% and hitting this level here, this might be able to stop us and then send us to the downside. And that's exactly what happened. And we ended up like this on Friday, right? So Friday started from here, and right from there, we dropped. So, like I said, that my analysis, if I'm right, then we have a lot more to come to the downside, right? So this is what Nasdaq is doing. S&P 500 more or less is doing the same thing. Let me show you S&P weekly chart. It is doing exactly what Nasdaq did. That went up all the way, flipped from here to here. This is wave 3, this is wave 4, and wave 5, 127 extension. And we stopped there last week, like yesterday. We end up the week just like that. And now I'm expecting that it's going to drop. So let's see what happened. A monthly chart showing you a little bit more detail. Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If this is where we are going to end, that's it. We're going to make the turn. If not, if you go up above this, then the next extension level would be 161% somewhere here, right? So then I'll make a new chart. But as long as we are below this 65.11, we have a solid chance that we're going to drop to this first, and then 78% of this fib that will come somewhere here, right? So let's see what happens if we can come down according to this is my analysis, right? Now, I want to talk about something else is that on my website, let me go and take a look at that. I'll show you here that, I have here the subscription for monthly, 6 month, yearly, right? And this is one-on-one coaching here, 10-hour course, 5-hour course. Here's Elliott Wave course, harmonic pattern course, right? And then here, combo deals, right? Multiple things together, combos. So all of these right now, we are doing Labor Day sale. 60% off. This is the first time I'm doing it. Most of the time we do 50%, right? But right now these are everything is like 60% off, right? And the code, the discount code is there. When you go there, you will see, and you can just simply use that, and that's it. You get the discount right away, right? And another thing, very important, is and it is very good for you guys because this I added up here affiliate program, official affiliate program. You can use this button to become an affiliate. Few things, fill out the form, few information, and you become an affiliate. And you can log in later on in your dashboard to see what's happening, what not. And you get anything out of my, like this one, courses, combos, my system, one-on-one coaching. I have products from $77 to $1,000, right? And for example, this combo deal, you can see here, combo one is 700, this is 500, and this is 1,000. You get 25% of that. And if you are my current subscriber or my previous subscriber, even previously you ever subscribed to my website, monthly subscription, all of that, I'll give you 30% commission. 30% commission if you send someone and then as an affiliate and using your link, you can simply go on my website here and you can generate your link for any of these pages, right? And then promote it. And if you send anybody and it comes in and buys anything, you get 30% commission as an old subscriber. And if you're not, then you still get 25%, right? Commission. So, 25% is talking about, out of $1,000, for example, like this one, that's $250, right? So it's a good amount. So this is a chance of making some good, serious money by promoting my website and my products, right? Become my partner and make some money. So this is it for now. And today morning, it's Saturday morning, right? So we have all day Saturday, all day Sunday. So hopefully you guys will have fun over the weekend, right? Labor Day weekend. And my general, like I said, the 60% discount across the board will, like Labor Day day, which will be September 1st. And then probably I'll end around like September 2nd, midnight, right? So take advantage of that. For example, you can, sign up for my monthly subscription, which is $77. But right now, probably you can sign up for maybe like, $17, $18, $20, something like that, 60% off, right? So take advantage of these things. All right. So this is it for now. And hopefully I'll make the next video about Bitcoin. And until then, bye and have a wonderful weekend.